everybody, it's Jill from More and More Living, and today I am going to take you through a little stamping workshop preparation. In case you're wondering what's happening to my right arm over here, I am busy petting a dog, so I will do the best I can with my left hand. So, a little background here. I work for a university in North Carolina, and I went to the library, and they had a paper crafting section. And the paper crafting section was some markers and some computer paper, and me being a stamper for 10 plus years, that just was not going to suffice. I had to do something about that. So I volunteered to teach a card class. So I came home, very excited. I created 4 new designs, and I presented them to the library staff, and now I'm going to have the class next week. So I was doing a little preparation for the class tonight. I'm going to go ahead and cut kits, which don't worry, we'll speed that up because it would take a long time and you would be very, very bored. But I'm going to show you some of this other accoutrement that I have here on the desk that I also am bringing with me to the workshop. So the first thing, oh, I got the dog over here still. The first thing that you'll notice is I have a huge box of stamps. I've got about 25 stamps between this box here and this box here. And what I've done is I put a sticker dot, and I'm not sure if you can see that on camera, but I put a sticker dot on each one so that way the stampers would know who or which supplies are intended for which card. Things would not get mixed up, and that way any level of stamper will have a little direction, because it is going to be me teaching this class to about, right now I have 12. I'm thinking I'm going to end up with 15 or 16 by Monday, and I think it was just a good way to stay organized and help people stay on track with their project. I also have inks, and I did the same exact thing. I put the little dots, the corresponding dots, so the same color ink that goes with a specific project has the same color dot. I also have my stamps. These projects takes 6 different stamp sets. I've got Merry Moose, Rustic Retreat, Snow Front, the Buffalo Check, always popular, Timeless Tidings, which is retired, but it's got great sentiments, and Winter Woods. So I've got 6 different stamp sets. So what I've done is taken just the stamps from those sets and mounted them on blocks so they're ready to go. I'm also using designer series paper for one of the projects, and it's 6x6 paper, so I'm going to go ahead and pick out some designs from here that I really like and match them with corresponding cardstock that matches, and create nice templates for people to put together. So some of the other things that I'm going to need to bring to this class, I've got some dies. I've got my Christmas tree and my snowflakes. I've got my Big Shot to go ahead and cut that stuff out, the plates that go with it, paper trimmer just in case, adhesive of course, stamp cleaning chamois, more and more adhesive that's not on screen, and a lot of other things. So this is the first half of what I'm doing to prepare for this workshop. So I've taken some time to gather all the different colors of cardstock that I need, and I have my notes on what the sizes are for all the different sizes of paper, all the different sentiment pieces. I've got some ribbon ready to go. I've got my markers ready to go. So I'm going to take some time to follow my guidelines that I had written out for the different sizes of different kinds of paper, or different colors of paper, and go ahead and cut that. And we're definitely going to speed it up because it's going to take me a pretty long time. And welcome back from that whirlwind paper cutting session. As you can see in front of me, I have all the different papers for all the different cards. I've got the Rustic Retreat card. I've got Feels Like Frost with the extra glitter paper, Winter Woods, and I've got the Snowfront card. So as you can see, it took me about 2 hours to cut everything. Not too bad. I'm ready to assemble the kits and put them in envelopes so they'll be ready to go for my participants. All the card kits are stuffed, they're ready to go. 64 cards ready to go. I've got the Snowfront kits, I've got Winter Woods, Feels Like Frost, and Rustic Retreat. And now it is time to pack everything up, put it in my craft bag, and then give myself a couple days to remember that I forgot to pack things. So here we go. So I'm all packed, and as you can see, going to a workshop is kind of like packing up almost my entire craft studio and bringing it mobile. And here I've got my stamps, my ink, my tape runner extras, my stamp cleaning chamois, and here I have the card kits. I've got more adhesive out the wazoo. I've got my paper cutter. I've got just anything you can think of, all kinds of tools and accessories. I've got the plates for my Big Shot, so that way we can do our die cutting. It's going to be a really good class. I'm super excited to do it. It was a ton of work, but you know what? Sharing the joy of stamping is worth everything to me. So when I share stamping with new people who haven't done it before, and I see the joy that comes when they put stamp to ink to paper, it's just an incredible feeling. So I'm happy to do this workshop. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I hope to be invited back to do more workshops in the spring, possibly Valentine's or Easter. I just have all kinds of ideas coming. So anyway, that's how I prepare for a workshop. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you at one of my future workshops.